Hi guys, so we're actually on our way to get something. You guys will be able to see what we get, or maybe Elise will tell you guys, but we're just getting gas right now. So are we gonna tell them what we're buying, or is it gonna be a surprise? I'm gonna buy a relaxer, so I don't know if you guys get like the same recommendations that we get. I've been seeing like a lot of videos on like natural girls who are like pretty much fed up with their hair and they want to get relaxers. So I was just kind of thinking like, I want to relax a wig. So pretty much we're on our way to Sally's. I'm not sure if they sell like the actual box relaxers there, but we're gonna go there first to see if they have it. Okay, so we were able to find a relaxer at Sally's, and I just got the regular olive oil relaxer. It's this one. You guys probably can't see it because it's like a huge glare, but I got that one right there. And I got some other things too, because I know a lot of you guys have been asking for some natural hair videos, which we're going to bring to you guys. We're going to go ahead and head home right now, and yeah, we'll see you guys once we get there.
We'll see you guys.
Whew, Lord, please forgive me for this crustacean. But let's go ahead and get into this video. So here's the wig. Now, the only thing that I've done was bleach the knots and wash the hair out, and this is what I got from it. And it wasn't even like I didn't do something right. I literally done the same thing that I do with all my wigs. It's just that this was some bad hair, and nothing but a prayer could help this wig. And even with that being said, yeah, it's still a devastation. So we're gonna relax this wig. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is apply this wig to my canvas block, and we're going to detangle this hair. You guys, when I tell you this hair is something else, I'll let you guys be the judge. Let's just go ahead and get into it. Yeah, so this hair is literally rock hard. I don't know, it's not soft, doesn't feel good in my hands. It could be because I'm detangling on dry hair. I didn't want to put any like water or anything on it and potentially help define the curls. I knew that way I'll probably want to keep it as is, but I'm just doing whatever to this hair. So I'm detangling it with the paddle brush on dry hair, and I surprisingly didn't get that much shedding. This is how much, I guess, breakage shedding that I got, which to you guys is a lot, but this hair is massive. Now, because I did bleach the knots, I'm going to apply a little bit of Vaseline to like the lace knot area, just because I don't want the relaxer to seep down to that area and cause the hair to have like a weird reaction. I don't really know what will happen, but I just want to prevent that from happening. So I did apply a little bit of Vaseline. Now we're going to go in with this ORS olive oil relaxer. And y'all, it's been 5-6 years, probably even more than that, since I've put a relaxer on my hair. I know it's been about 10 years for Alicia, but I literally had to read the instructions over because I forgot. Like, this relaxer is fancy now. It didn't, when I was relaxing my hair back in the day, I didn't have all these, you know, little oils and stuff like that. Oh, I didn't have that, but you know, it's good to see that they're stepping up their game. So I'm just mixing the activator with the cream and the base and the oil all together, and then we're going to go ahead and relax this hair. Now, before you get started, especially if you're going to use a wig that you may potentially want to actually use, or you invested a lot of money in, do a strand test. You don't want your wig, you know, crumbling up and catching fire or anything like that. So do a strand test. I took a rather large strand from the very back of the hair, and I applied some of the relaxer to it. I just kind of let it sit for about 20 minutes. I know that's probably too long. And I just kind of stretched it, and it got straight. So going to go ahead and proceed forward. But definitely make sure you do a strand test. I don't want to be the reason why your wig catches on fire or melts. I don't want no parts of that. But yeah, so now I'm sectioning off the hair, starting from the back, and I'm just going to apply the relaxer, and I'm staying away from the root area because the roots are already straight. You can tell that this hair has been processed or chemically processed in order to achieve the curl pattern that it had, and maybe they use some cheap chemical, whatever, I don't know what they use, but yeah, so I'm just applying the relaxer, and then I'm going to work my way up. I did eventually end up using all the relaxers, so like I showed you guys before, I did have a backup little touch-up kit that I found at Walmart that I ended up buying, and I went ahead and I applied that to the rest of the hair. You guys are going to see that later, but I'm just going to go ahead and finish applying this relaxer, and I'll see you guys once I'm finished. Okay, y'all, so I'm finally done. It's literally been like an hour of me applying this relaxer, but I'm done. And crazy thing, the box relaxer and the touch-up kit was enough for this wig. But if you have thicker hair, longer hair, girl, you're gonna need like one of them tubs of relaxers, the stuff that they have at the salon. So yeah, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and shampoo this wig, and I'm starting off with a neutralizing shampoo that came with the touch-up kit. So I'm going to go ahead and use the entire pack. I want to say that one little pack I was able to do 3 washes, and it kind of has like that color alarm that turns the water pink as a way to indicate that there's still like some relaxer on the hair. So I just went ahead and used up that whole pack, and now I'm using the pack that came with the box relaxer, which is just the olive oil shampoo. I don't think that this is like a neutralizing shampoo, or maybe it is, I don't know. But I'm gonna go ahead and continue to wash out the hair, and I use that entire pack. So that was like around like 5 washes, and finally I'm done. So I started looking at the hair. The hair, you guys, was shot. The hair was shot. So I decided to add a little bit of my silicone mix initially, and then I followed up with the conditioner that came with the box relaxer, and yeah, so I went ahead and I applied that. I put it in my Fry's grocery bag, and I forgot about it for a whole week. Girl, the hair was moldy. I had to go and shampoo it again and condition it. But yeah, y'all didn't see that part. But so this is the hair, deep conditioned, and yeah, it's literally been sitting for like a week. But I'm going in with this Denman brush, and I want to say it's like a Denman shower paddle brush, to further detangle the hair, because I just didn't really know how I was going to work through the hair. But crazy thing, that brush, you guys, get that brush, get it, because that brush worked wonders. So I finished detangling the hair, and this is what the hair looks like now. It still doesn't look good, but yeah, we're going to go ahead and just work with it. I'm going in with this 25 Miracle Milk by Mazzani, and I'm just going to spray the hair down before we blow it out. And definitely put something on the hair, because the hair it felt like relaxed hair. Like if you ever relaxed your hair, that's just like that feeling that it, like your hair used to be coarse, but now it's like trying to be straight. It had that feeling, which gave me some hope. And now I am blow drying it, and yeah, I'm gonna finish doing this, and I'll see you guys once I'm done.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so here is about a week later. Y'all, when I tell you this wig took me forever to do, and I think it just had a lot to do with the fact that I had a lot going on in my life and I just couldn't really sit down and commit to doing this video. But it shouldn't take that long, especially if you just kind of commit to it. But yeah, right now I'm just adding some final touches and styling up this hair. So as usual, I'm gonna just try to make the front perimeter look a little more aesthetically pleasing, and I'm tweezing out the part to make it look a little more realistic, because it was, y'all, there was no part before. It was not existent. But I'm tweezing that open and then adding a little bit of my concealer to it, just to make it look, you know, like an actual head of hair and realistic. Y'all know how I am. Gonna clip up the front, and then y'all, even, you know, after all of that, this hair is still crunchy and hard. Yeah, this is just an experimental video, so don't take anything literally. I mean, you can try it for yourself if you choose to, but I'm just experimenting because your girl wanted to. She's bored, so hey. Right now I'm just adding some big curls, and weird thing, you know, the hair became a little softer once I added the curls. So I was like, you know, what's going on here, you know? So yeah, let's see if this is gonna work out. But definitely make sure you add like some sort of like holding spray, hairspray, something, because y'all, the curls did not hold. But yeah, this is the next day. We're gonna go ahead and get the wig on. I did sew on that elastic band, you know, just a little close-up look on the curls. They're already dropping, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the lace, and we're gonna go ahead and get started after that. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw on my stocking cap, get that on, and then we're gonna see how this wig works out. So it looks okay. I think it looks okay. I mean, you can still see the stiffness. People say stiff wear. I'm like, I can't even co-sign that statement. I can't, because this hair is stiff. But yeah, right now I'm kind of like combing through the hair and finger combing through the hair, and the curls just are not holding. They're falling, dropping. So definitely use some sort of hairspray, and or just leave it alone. Let the curls kind of relax naturally. So I'm kind of trying to add some more curls to it, and it's not really doing much of anything. So at this point I'm like, I'm done. But yeah, so what do you guys think? This is the final look of the style. It is still quite stiff and not as soft, but what do you guys think? Would you guys relax your wig if it was, you know, shot? If it wasn't working out, would you do it, or are you just gonna throw it away? Let me know. But yeah, I had fun doing this video. I'm probably gonna do it again soon. You guys let me know if it's something that you guys want to see, and yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.